In a small town nestled between the hills of rural India lived a young boy named Arjun. His family was poor, his school had no proper roof, and his village had never seen electricity. But Arjun had a fire in his heart and a dream that would not let him sleep. He wanted to become a scientist. Everyone laughed at him. How will a poor farmer son become a scientist? They mocked. Even his own relatives advised him to stop dreaming and help his father in the field. But Arjun did not listen. He looked up at the star every night and whispered to himself, हम जो ठान लेते हैं वो करके दिखाते हैं. When we make a vow, we see it thought. He had no access to good school or coaching centers. So he walked 10 kilometers every day to the nearest library and borrowed old science book. He could not afford electricity, so he studied under street lamps or by candlelight. Whenever things got hot, and they often did, Arjun reminded himself of his vow. He would not give up. Year passed. Through sheer determination and countless sleep nights, Arjun passed his exam with top scores. He earned a scholarship to study in one of the best universities in India. But even there things were not easy. He did not speak English well. He could not afford new clothes or a laptop. Students made fun of him for being a village boy. But Arjun did not let the insult get to him. His goals was bigger than their opinions. He worked part-time jobs, improved his English by reading newspaper aloud, and studied harder than anyone else. Eventually, his professor noticed his brilliance. One of them recommended him for a research program in the United States. With trembling hands, Arjun boarded a flight for the first time in his life. He stepped onto American soil not as a tourist, but as a dreamer carrying the weight of an entire village. He was nervous, but he remembered his vow. This was the moment he had prepared for all his life. In the US, Arjun's hard work stood out. He was selected to work on a cutting-edge space research project with NASA. His ideas and dedication impressed the brightest mind in the field. After a year of relentless pursuit, Arjun became one of the lead engineering on a satellite project that made headlines around the world. The same people who once doubted him were now celebrating his success. Reporters traveled to his village to cover the story of the boy who never gave up. The school told his story to inspire children. Arjun did not just change his life, he changed the future for others like him. When asked in an interview what kept him going through all the obstacles, Arjun smiled and sighed. I made a vow not to give up, no matter what. That vow carried me for the dark nights. I always believed that if we today decide, nothing can stop us. Moral of the story: determination is more powerful than circumstance. Your background does not define your future, your mindset does. When you commit fully, when you really mean it, life finds a way to meet you halfway. Just remember, the vow you make yourself is the most powerful promise of all.